Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. We are going to introduce a section of reels from today onwards. So you will get a new reel every day with a new information. Today I have come here to tell you something about an idiom. So there is a new idiom called a nip in the air. A nip in the air and a nip in the air. It means a feeling of cold. You can use it in sentence like this. There is a nip in the air in this morning. There is a nip in the air in this morning. It means it is very cold in this morning. So you can use this idiom called a nip in the air in your sentences or in your everyday life to improvise your English language. Friends, do connect with us to get latest information on English language. We are here to guide you on English and you can join our classes to improvise your language. Thanks for joining us, friends. Have a nice day. Bye bye.